CQ 181 Central France, 181 Central France. This is North America 007, 007, state of Tennessee, USA, North America, calling CQ.
Tennessee, very strong, 72. 181, my first personnel is Mark, over.
Hey, QSL, Mark, very good, Mark. Sounding Q5 here. I got a 5x7 on you here in the state of Tennessee here this evening. Sounding very good there, Mark. That operator name is Ken. Operator name is Ken. Kilo Echo November 007 Tennessee. Back to you, Mark.
QSL, Ken, 100%. Your Q5 here too with signal 6-7. Very good conditions right now. Name is Mark, AARC. Location is in Central France, about 200 miles from the south of Paris. At the moment it's raining, really overcast, and just about 12 degrees Celsius, very cold condition. Good from North America, West Indies. Very little conditions from the east, from the west coast, sorry, but very difficult. Okay, Ken, 007 Tennessee, 181, back to you.
Hey, QSL, Mark, 181 France, 181 France, Mark, out there in France, sounding very good, Q5 100%. We've had some good conditions here, started last night, and it seems to be propagations picking up very good. Europe's coming in here, been coming in all morning, and definitely good making the contact to you. Your radio's sounding real good there with the conditions there. On this end, we got a President Jackson radio with an Antron 99 is what we're working on, the working conditions on this end, Mark. Ken, back to you, QSL.
Yeah, okay, Ken, we'll copy 100%. Doing a very good job. I'm working with an ICOM 706 MK2T, 10 microphone. Antenna is a low power. It's 7 meters above the ground, so just a few feet above the ground. Antenna is very low. I've got an homemade tower. Not too bad. In the beginning of afternoon, I had some stations from Thailand and Indonesia. Local time here is 7 p.m. 2 or 3 p.m. Okay, Ken, 007 or from 181, over.
QSL 100%, Mark, 181, 100%. We've had some good conditions there, and we definitely glad to see that DX is picking up. Like here in the country of Europe, I always like to hear Europe coming in here to Tennessee. I'm located about 20 miles from Music City, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, the Music City, and you're definitely making a good trip in here. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. That way, see if some of these other operators want to get in here and get a QSO with you. But 181 Mark out there in France, it's been a pleasure on this end making a contact. You're sounding real good Q5 signal out here in the state of Tennessee. And send all my numbers to you. It's been a good pleasure on this end. This is 007 Operator Ken, state of Tennessee, USA. Hey Mark, we'll be QSY on your final, sir.
It's the diner time now. I will go to the diner. For the QSO to catch you soon again. I'm calling time to time 385 LSB to catch a station from North America. I try to make it QSY because many stations there, of course, are high. Okay, stress. Take care, God bless, and maybe tomorrow 007.
Okay, 181, 100%, Mark. Take care of yourself, and God bless you. You're sounding good here in the state of Tennessee. 007, 007, Tennessee, USA. We're QSY.